Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. It's going to be about how to do a pixel grid. Here I have an example of a pixel grid which is made of a heart basically. So the best stitch to use while making a pixel grid decoration on any piece is the single crochet. So I'm going to interpret how to go about the pixel grid. So here we have 13, 1 to 13. You're going to make 13 stitches and add one that is going to count as the turning stitch. So you're going to chain 14, skip one, and then start working on the 13th, going back like that. So that is going to be the first row. You use one color, you go to the next one. If you're moving like this, you go up with white, one stitch using the other yarn of the other color, then continue like that while changing until you form this shape. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do it using this example. So I'll be using this purple lavender yarn and this cream white yarn to form these pixels. So we're going to begin with the white one. You're going to begin by chaining 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After chaining 13, you're going to add one more. So 1. We are going to make the stitch you're going to be using is single crochet. So we are going to work on this one, which is just white. So after the last stitch, chain 1, turn your work, and we start going to the next one. At the beginning of the second row, where you have the color change, at the last stitch where you have the white yarn, you complete it using the other yarn. So after that, you make a single crochet using that yarn, and then complete it using the white yarn and continue working until the end. So let's move into the other row where we have 5 white single crochet and 3 purple single crochet, and complete it using 5 white single crochet. So we are going to make 5 single crochet using white yarn, and on the 5th one we complete it using the purple yarn. Then make 3 single crochet using the purple yarn. On the 3rd purple single crochet, complete it using the white yarn. Notice how I move along with the white yarn so that it is not left behind. I won't be moving with the purple yarn. I will leave it on the other side, which is the opposite side of this piece that we are making. I'll just be moving with the white yarn only. So we move on to the other row where we have 4 white single crochet and 5 purple single crochet, and then complete it using 4 single crochet using the white yarn. At the end of the 4th white single crochet, you complete it using the purple yarn, that is yarn of a different color that you're working with. Then chain 5 single crochet using that color. On the 5th stitch, complete it using the white yarn, and so on. So you'll notice that for the purple we have 5 stitches from the top, and that is what is on the pixel grid. So you'll see for the white stitches we have 4 V's which match 4 pixels, 5 purple which matches the 5 pixels, and 4 which matches the 4 pixels. We move on to the next row where we have 3 white single crochet and 7 purple single crochet and the last 3 white single crochet. So you chain 3 single crochet. On the 3rd white single crochet, complete it using the purple color until the 7th. On the 7th, you complete it using the white yarn. We move on to the 6th row where we have 2 white single crochet and 9 purple single crochet.